everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm showing you guys another coupons.com video to print. Now these just popped up. Thank you, Haiti, for telling me that they are back online. Now I don't know if these, I know these reset, so they reset, but I don't know if they'll be resetting again tomorrow or just tonight. So if you guys want, print these off. I'm still going to do a video showing you guys new coupons to print tomorrow because it's a new month. But my Chic 4 off of 1 came off, reset. The Covergirl reset, the Covergirl. We got the Ziplocs, sorry, those reset. The Keebler reset. We got more Covergirl. We got the Suave $1.50 off of Suave. The Sure and the Ziploc again reset. The Brute reset. We got the $6 off of 2. That reset. The $2 off of Dove. God, there's a lot of stuff that just reset. We got the Cetaphil, which is actually taking me to a different site. So there's that. It says it's limit reached. Here we got $3 off of 2 of the Dove Women's. I'm just getting some of this stuff because some of these are hot coupons and you don't know what's going to be available tomorrow. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that Covergirl reset. So make sure you guys print those coupons because they may reset again tomorrow. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.